Hey, how's it going out there? You might be saying, what are you doing? You're not working on Tacoma today? I'm gonna say no. Today we are doing a project here at the house. See this wood right here? We are going to get this wood stained up. This Pine Ridge V Groove. I'll show you how it all sits together here in a second. We're gonna stain that wood. This bad boy. This is my favorite stain. It's called Varathone Ash. A little hard to see there, but let me see what it looks like here in a second. It's one of my favorite stains. I love the way it looks. It goes on really smooth, and we're gonna use that on the ceiling new mudroom, which there it is. So here is our mudroom built on from the outside. So check this out, guys. So let's walk in here. So it's still under construction, as you can see. But check this out. So we got a new door put in. And this is my old door. So this was the old door into the garage. We just shifted it that way. And I did that on the door, but that was a whole other project. And this is what Ash looks like here on butcher block. Right here. So we're gonna make that up on this ceiling. So we're gonna go do our whole ceiling up here. Just like that. And then those spots right there. All of that is going to be done in the tongue and groove. Let's go stain some wood. Yeah. All right, we got all those stained up now. So let's take a look at the mudroom, and I'll tell you why I kind of went with a mudroom and why I wanted to build it right here. So as you can see, I'm gonna take a look at my house here real quick. So looking at my house right here, when you walk in, this whole area, see where this door and this wall is? So that wasn't there before. I was just kind of kept walking towards the garage. We kind of went inside. And I want to open this up here, but when you came inside, you had the AC unit right in the garage. So it's kind of just driving me crazy because I felt like, let me show you. Here's my return right here. Every time the garage door opened, it'd be pulling air from this hot garage, and I felt like it was making the AC unit work extra hard. And since I already have an old house, the insulation isn't great, so we felt like this would be a perfect spot to create it. We had the wall, we have the room, and then my kids can throw all their stuff down in here. So once this wall's up and the trim is up, you know, it fit perfect for what we needed as a mudroom. So it wasn't anything forced. You kind of got to work with what you have at your house. I know the cabinets, they look small, but if we got anything any bigger, would kind of get in the way up here, and if we lowered them at all, it would kind of get in the way of sitting down. So this is the best we could do with what we had for this wall. I didn't want to break any other walls or get into anything else. So that's the main reason why we chose to do this and why we put it here, because of that return. And so it gives you, this wall is insulated, all of this got insulated. So now I have a break between the garage and the return. And so I also have a spot where all like the dirt will kind of stay here instead of getting into my house. Morning, here we are, Saturday. Let's get this show started. So as you can see, I got a bench that's taped. I got a couple things taped on the ground here because we're gonna be painting that later. But today we're gonna do the ceiling. So I'm gonna bring that wood that I have stained in. break for lunch. Picked up my sidekick here. Her name's Sasha. Sasha, hey puppy, hey puppy. She hangs out with me while I do my work. Say hi, Sasha. Hey, Sasha. So let's take a look. Check this out, guys. See that? Oh, ceiling is pretty set up. So we're gonna start now on the trim. All that is done ski. So how I like to do my trim, I'm gonna show you guys. Instead of doing crown, I just get 2 pieces of wood and kind of set them up together. But it's coming along. So I'm gonna get that going for you so you guys can see it. All right. So you made it through the whole video so far. It's time for the reveal. Let's go see what that mudroom looks like. Well, what did we do in here? So, we took the cement floors and stained them with a black concrete stain that I absolutely love because once you step on it, it carries some of the dust off your shoes. It stays a little tacky, so you just be doing cleaning in here and not in the whole house. We added this wall. Wasn't here before, so the wall was added, insulated. We moved some electrical so that there's a switch on the outside here for the garage light. These are pretty old 70s electrical panels. Used to be this color right here. They were painted. This got spray painted. That was loud. Got spray painted with the just like a flat black high heat paint. VHT has that type of stuff, so that's like for mufflers or car engines. Came out good. That was painted over in the same concrete stain that we used for the floor. This is your pretty standard nickel gap shiplap painted in white. So this door I did a while ago before I did any videos or did anything with a camera. It is the same type of paneling that I used on the ceiling. So it's the exact same paneling with a different stain. And I literally just put it over the door just to make it look cool because it was an ugly old brown door. Those are pretty standard 36-inch cabinets. I don't want to go with 42 because 42 puts it a little too low here for you. So when you're coming to sit down, you're just going to whack your head. That is a custom cabinet that has to be ordered, but any of the big box stores can do it for you. I liked it because it's the full length drawer and they're all soft close, pretty standard trim. This was also painted in black. This is an old school central vac system. I did replace the motor on this and I painted this one too in that same flat black because it was like a mustard color, if you could believe that. This light came from Amazon. It's just an 8-light Sputnik. It's actually not very expensive. If you look right now, I have the bottom 4 bulbs kind of screwed in softly. It is extremely bright with 8 bulbs in this tiny room. So for now, I am just leaving those 4. The rug as well. Put a link for that and a link for the light. This is just the size that fit this room. There's many different sizes. These hooks, I'll put a link for the hooks too. I like that they're kind of big and there's a trip hook. So you get to hang 3 different sets of stuff. But yeah, this is about it. It's about 99% done because I still want to build something here to kind of block this. But I'm looking for the right type of piece. It has to do something along the lines of like those like intricate room dividers. That's what I'm looking for. If I could find one that I could cut and make fit in here, we're good. And then I need a shoe rack, but I don't want like an open shoe rack. I'm looking for one that you kind of can tuck shoes in. So once I get those, the room will be 100% done. So here is the last shot of it. What I did for the switch too, so I put the switch so that when you walk in through here, it's a motion switch and the motion catches you and it will turn on. So yeah, there it is. Took me about 2 days to get everything nice and done. It's a new door with a new knob as well. But yeah, we're looking good. We're enjoying it so far. The kids are still like it so much that they don't know what to do with it yet. So but we're liking it. We hope you like it. There it is. Putting it into good use.